Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about maximizing the benefits of authorized user accounts on your credit reports. So if you guys don't know already, it is great to be added as an authorized user on someone's credit card that has been paying on time. Key, make sure they've been paying on time, they don't have any late payments, and also if they have like a higher limit credit card that is old. The older the better. So like if you can find somebody that have like an old credit card, like 10 years would be just amazing, but 5 years, just an older credit card, then you guys will see a great increase to your credit score, and it'll make it easier for you guys to get approved for credit cards. So I want to talk to you guys about maximizing those benefits. Like I understand you got an authorized user credit card on your credit report, but let's maximize the benefits of having that, you guys. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys like it, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. To be honest with you guys, I'm going to be very busy over the summer. I'm going to make sure I focus my time on my home buying clients. I focus my time on people that's in my membership, because we meet up twice per month within a membership, sometimes 3 times. So if you have any questions, please come to our meetups that we're going to have. I answer questions right then and there, and I'll always ask people, hey, anybody needs to ask me some personal questions, y'all want to go on my calendar, and I put them on my calendar at that time. If for some reason you schedule a call on me, I can't take it. It's just because I'm so busy, you guys. It's summer, we got class, we got the school, we have a lot, the kids. I have a lot going on, and I want to make sure I focus my time on my kids during the summer, because the time is going to pass, you guys, and I want to enjoy them fully. But definitely let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, because it's probably gonna be the fastest way to get a response. Now let's get into the video. That was a lot of talking, but let's get into the video. Now, maximizing the benefits. First of all, let me say this. A lot of people say, oh, I want to get added on to my sister's credit card, but then I see them get added on, and I didn't realize that your sister used too much on her credit card, so now it's hurting your credit. So do not get added on anyone's credit card as an authorized user if they are maxing out their credit. And some people, let me just say this too, some people don't even know like about an authorized user. They don't even understand that. What you have to do is you need to have whoever is going to add you as an authorized user, you want to have them add you on with the company that they're with, so they can call them up, or they can add them on online, or when they apply for the credit card, they can add you on right then and there too. For those couples, like if you're a couple, you're helping your husband build his credit, you building yours at the same time, y'all adding each other on as authorized user. When you apply for the credit card at that time, you can add them on as an authorized user too. So that's how you add someone as an authorized user. Whatever you're doing on your credit, like if you're the person that's adding someone, whatever you're doing on your credit is going to show up on their credit report. Same thing, you guys. That person that's adding you, whatever they're doing on their credit is going to show up on your credit report. Whatever they're doing on that card, should I say, it's going to show up on your credit report. Just that card, whichever one you added on. That's not the whole credit report. So say if they're doing very great, they're paying on time, they got a $10,000 credit card, they've had this credit card for 10 years, that is going to show up on your credit card, on your credit report too. You got a $10,000 credit card reporting, it's 10 years of history on here, no late payments, and then the balance is low too. Hopefully the balance is low. Do not get added onto someone's credit card if they're using it a lot and they're maxing it out a lot, where they hold a higher balance. So some people may say, oh, it's a $30,000 credit card. Ricky, they only got a $6,000, $7,000 balance. That's really good. That's not bad at all. But it's bad for you because you only got a $200 credit card, okay? And now it's messing with your utilization. So I tell people to make sure that they, choose wisely on which credit card they want to be added to. Now, to maximize these benefits, and when I say maximize the benefits, like say if you guys are trying to get approved for more credit cards, depending on who adds you as an authorized user, sometimes you could pay somebody. They're only going to let it be on there for 2 months, most likely. It's only going to be on there for about 2 or 3 months. So I tell people to apply for more credit cards when it is added, and make sure that you pay down all of your credit cards too, so that when you apply for more credit cards, you can get approved. Now, when you guys check out my website, Rickita.com, you're going to see a lot of different credit cards on here. So this is my website. When you first come on, this is what it's going to look like. We're still editing it, we're still fixing it, so it's a lot of changes that still needs to be made. But you can schedule a call, do a home buying application with me if you have any questions. Check out the dispute letter packages, join my membership, and then go down some, and then you'll see the different type of credit cards. So I always tell people, pay down your credit cards, get added as an authorized user. Depending on where you at, let's say you got decent credit, you just trying to get higher limit credit cards, then go ahead and apply for some of those credit cards. So these are the best credit cards for rewards. Go ahead and see if Discover can pre-qualify you for a credit card now. They're going to tell you yes or no. Make sure that credit card is added onto your credit reports before you try, but go ahead and pre-qualify for that Discover. So they're gonna tell you yes or no without that hard inquiry. So see what they're gonna give to you. If they go ahead and let you get it, I mean, they approve you for it, pre-qualify you for it, go ahead and get it. Also, that Chase Freedom Flex, try to see if Chase can pre-qualify you for some credit cards. I know I got a lot of things in the mail for Chase. So you can go ahead and see if you want to get it. Like, I don't have this credit card here, but I got it in the mail for Chase. And as your credit score go up, you're going to see that you're going to get offers too. I'm just trying not to show like my personal information, but I got this in the mail, basically them telling me, hey, like we pre-selected you for this credit card. And I have 2 credit cards with Chase, so I'm guessing they'll know, right? They'll know for sure they can pre-qualify me, but you'll get offers like that in the mail as your credit score go up when you add them, when you get added as an authorized user. So when you get those offers, take them, and then also check out all of these different credit cards. You can pre-qualify for that Amazon card. I love my Amazon card. You can pre-qualify for you to get one. Also the Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards. This is another great one. You can pre-qualify for that one. Capital One, actually, let me go back. Capital One can pre-qualify you for a lot of credit cards. And then also City Double Cash, City Custom Cash, you can get that. American Express can pre-qualify you. Also, US Bank Cash Plus can pre-qualify you. Discover It Student Chrome. These are a lot of different credit cards that can pre-qualify you. So once you get added as an authorized user, you see your credit score go up and you pay down your existing credit cards, then apply for those credit cards right away. That's a way to maximize being an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If you're not maximizing, it's like, what are you doing, you guys? Like, seriously, when they add you on, make sure you pay down your credit cards too ahead of time so you can right away apply for credit cards, because that's going to help you out a lot. Now, say if you want to get approved for a card, to maximize that, start removing some of them negative accounts that's inaccurate on your credit reports. That can boost your credit score. So that authorized user account come on, that can boost it also. Also remove some of those inquiries that's on your credit reports. And when you go to my website, Rickita.com, I literally have these dispute letters on here where you guys can remove some of these accounts that's on your credit reports, like late payments, student loans, collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, for $27. So like, let's go right here to like the collections. You get 6 letters in a package for $27. And these are the letters, you guys, that's going to help you remove those accounts from your credit reports. Let me show you some of the accounts that I was able to help my clients get removed from their credit report. So we have some inquiries that got removed. And then also we got a bankruptcy that got removed, public records or bankruptcies. Clients' credit score went up 31 points when they got that bankruptcy removed. Navy Federal got removed. Best Buy, Discover, removing those charge-offs from your credit reports can help you. Also, we have a 129-point increase by removing a student loan in that bankruptcy, and then more student loans being removed. So yeah, removing these different accounts using those letters on Rickita.com can definitely help you increase your credit score. And you want to make sure you remove those accounts while you're before you're authorized user, or even during that process too, so you can get a great increase in your credit score. And then you can go ahead and apply for the house you want, the cars you want. If you want to get any personal loans, you can apply for all those different things at that time. But to maximize it, don't just think, oh, let me get added as authorized user and that's it. No, work to remove those inquiries. Apply for more credit cards right away too if your credit score is at its highest, so that you can get more credit cards, especially for those people that can't get approved for many or any credit cards. Apply for them right away. Pre-qualify for those credit cards. Remove those accounts, those inquiries of bankruptcy, charge-offs, all those different accounts from your credit reports. And it's no excuse. Like, I literally put them letters together for $27. Like, I know a lot of people, I have a lot of people inside of my membership, but then there's a lot of people that's not in the membership. And I say, okay, I'm sorry, I really cannot let you in the membership because it's going to be just more work on me, because I want to make sure I dedicate myself to those in the membership. But if you can't get in the membership, go ahead and get those letters and start helping remove those, letting it help you remove those accounts from your credit reports. And then check out my account too, where I show you guys how to remove those accounts, my different type of I show you how you can remove those different accounts from your credit report. Check out my videos, what I was trying to say, to help you remove those accounts from your credit reports. If you have any questions, right at the top of my website, Rickita.com, you can schedule a call. And if I have the time, I'll make sure I take it. If you're a part of my exclusive credit membership, I make sure I take those for sure. So go ahead and schedule a call, and I'll see you guys in